Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machinery channel. My name is Richard. So today I'm going to introduce about this part of the bar mill, which is the transmission connections. So in the market there are two ways of doing this. So one is they make the transmission connection and the bar mill in two separate parts and then assemble them together. But what we do differently is we make the transmission connections and the bar mill into one part. It is welded on the bar mill and then do the machining together with the bar mill. And then the good thing about it is by this way we are able to ensure the concentricity of the transmission connection part along with the bar mill. And then if you do it in assembly way, then there will be assembly errors. But we do it by one part together to ensure the concentricity of the bar mill. And also you can see these are holes on the transmission connections. So after the materials are being grinded in the bar mill, the material will discharge from this end. And then we also have a hood cover here to discharge the material. And here you can see this is packed with wood. This is a flange connection. The flange connection will connect to the couplings, and the couplings will connect to the gearbox. So thank you guys. I will introduce about other part of the bar mills in our next review.